Good evening to all. I think you all are fine at your places. As you know, your children are at home. Schools are closed, so I am sharing a video with you to make chocolate balls. These are very easy to make and your children can make themselves. So, let's start. Ingredients to make chocolate balls are marigold biscuits. We need 14 to 16 pieces of marigold biscuits, then condensed milk, then choco powder and gems for garnishing, and we need coconut powder and some butter for greasing. This should be the consistency of the biscuits, and now I am sieving it. Sieve it so that there should be no big lumps in it. Add 3 teaspoons of choco powder. You can add more choco powder if you need more chocolatey. Now add 3 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. Add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix it well. And make a smooth dough. If it is required, then you can add some milk in it. Add some more milk maid. And make a smooth dough as you make for chapatis or puris with your hand. Grease your hand with butter, then make small round balls of the dough. Our chocolate balls are ready, and this is the time for garnishing. Now keep them in your refrigerator for half an hour, and if you are in hurry then you can keep it in your freezer for 5 minutes. So I am keeping it in my refrigerator. Now these chocolate balls are ready to serve. Thank you very much for seeing this video, and stay at home, stay safe, and keep trying new things.